No legitimate survey site offers unlimited instant withdrawals with absolutely no redemption rules, but several platforms let users cash out with very low or flexible payout requirements instead of forcing them to wait for a large balance. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 survey sites with beginner-friendly redemption options and what to expect before requesting a payout. The first platform is Prolific. Instead of rewarding users with points, Prolific pays for completing academic and market research studies. Once your completed submissions are approved, you can request payment through the platform's supported payout method. One reason Prolific is popular is that users don't have to build a large reward balance before becoming eligible to withdraw. Next is Cloud Research Connector. Like Prolific, it focuses on research studies rather than traditional consumer surveys. Participants receive payments after approved studies, making it easier to access earnings without waiting to collect a large number of points over time. Third is YouGov. YouGov rewards users for completing surveys on consumer opinions, politics, and current events. The platform uses a points system for redemptions, so you should review the available reward options before starting. While it doesn't eliminate redemption requirements entirely, it remains one of the more established survey platforms. The fourth option is Points. Members earn points by completing surveys matched to their profile. Once enough points have been earned for an available reward, they can redeem them using the supported payment methods. Keeping your profile updated helps you qualify for more surveys and reach redemption sooner. The fifth platform is Payout Research. Because members receive targeted survey invitations, rewards are generally tied directly to completed studies rather than requiring constant screening. The platform's straightforward reward system has made it a long-standing favorite among experienced survey users. Here's the part that often gets overlooked. If a website promises no minimum payout threshold, read the redemption policy carefully. Legitimate survey platforms almost always have some type of payment process, whether that's study approval, account verification, or a minimum amount required by the payment provider. The best platforms simply make those requirements easier to reach. To access your earnings faster, complete your profile honestly, respond to survey invitations promptly, and choose platforms that consistently send studies matching your demographics instead of joining dozens of low-quality survey sites. If you want the simplest path to getting paid, Prolific and Cloud Research Connect stand out. If you prefer traditional survey platforms, YouGov, LifePoints, and Pinecone Research are excellent places to start. If this comparison helped you find a better survey site, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best survey platforms for 2026.